race left on the monitor. Indeed, we're over the hump for this grand final.
And the winner, Tasman 10,000 and 10 grand in the pocket, Aaron Seaton. Winner Aaron Seaton, second, Owen Kelly and Nathan.
What an awesome day here at Baskerville. It was great racing between all the guys, and I really appreciate Owen and Nathan pushing me all weekend, as well as Brett Holdsworth. And yeah, I just love being here. It was my first time to Baskerville. It was quite a tight and technical track to learn and get right, but yeah, very rewarding. And wow, I'm just a bit speechless. So I can't thank all my partners enough. The Harris family, Dad, Chris Top, everyone who's helped out. It's pretty unreal. Fortunately, we were able to win 10 grand with this event, and thanks for Boost Mobile and GRM and the Race of Tasmania for putting it up. It'll definitely go towards our budget for the season. So yeah, looking forward to the rest of 2021.
So yeah, that was the feature race, the big money. We came up just a little bit short. It was all really won on the start, and these cars really like clean air, and 5 tyres for those 4 long races. We're not sure we went about that the right way, and in the end there we probably needed a little bit better rears, and car was turning great. I just couldn't get the back to keep up. So, but look, all in all, we've only had this car for 2 weeks, and we're all brand new to it. Marcus has done a great job, and my brother Christian and Dwayne and all the crew, and Fujitsu on the hood. It's been awesome.
Just wrapped up the weekend. P3, not too bad. Considering it wasn't the best weekend we've ever had, but to be at this point in P3, you're going pretty bloody good. So yeah, look, it's how it was this weekend. Fortunately, it wasn't meant to be. We had great car pace at Simmons Plains, but as soon as we headed over to Baskerville, we've just been struggling from the get-go, and we hit our limit pretty early in the weekend. Followed the same lap time every lap, and just couldn't go any faster to keep up with these 2 boys. But look, props to them. I mean, Owen's been here a fair bit. He's done a lot of testing around here, and Aaron's just quick everywhere he goes. And it's a real credit to Seaton and Harris and the Castrol team for how they can set up their car. And we just have to work a bit harder during Race Australia and Valvoline and catch up to Phillip Island. So it should be good. Fingers crossed we can have a good weekend at Phillip Island and see how we finish up the weekend.